While still in the Insert menu, I can insert an image into my spreadsheet. When I do, I have two options. I can place the image inside a cell, or I can have it over the cells. Let's take a look at each of those options. If I want a picture inside cell D2, I click Insert, Image, and then Image in Cell. From there, I can search for an image, or I can upload from my computer. Once I find the picture I'd like to use, I simply click Insert. The picture is now inside that cell. If I want it to be bigger, I can adjust the size of that cell. I can also choose the alignment. I can choose to center the picture in the cell if I want to, and I can choose to change the background if I would like as well. If I insert an image over the cells, it means I can drag it wherever I want. Let's take a look at that. I go back to Insert, then Image, and I choose Image over Cells. I can upload from my computer again, or I can do a Google search. When I select the image that I want, I again click Insert, and this time the picture is over all of the other cells rather than being inside a cell. I can insert a Google drawing within my spreadsheet as well. If I click Drawing, it'll bring up Google Drawing, and here I can add shapes and text, create my own little picture, then I can click Save and Close. Your drawing will always be over the other cells rather than inside the cells. If I ever want to edit this, I just double click and it opens that drawing back up, and I can make changes to that drawing. Finally, I can insert a form. If I select Form, it's going to take me to Google Forms where I can create some type of survey that would then go directly into this spreadsheet. When I do that, you'll see there's now a tab at the bottom called Form Responses 1. Anytime anyone fills out that survey, the responses will go in this sheet tab.